Hi folks, just want to go over the difference quotient real quick. That was on Unit 1, frequently missed on Unit 1, and I put it on Unit 2, and a bunch of them were missed there as well. So let's take a quick look, because this is going to continue on for the rest of the exams, and then also very, very useful in calculus and both evaluating limits and finding derivatives. So I'm just going to walk you through this problem here. If we have the function f of x is 8 minus x squared, if we want to find the difference quotient and essentially simplify this difference quotient, we're going to look at f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So f of x plus h, remember, we're taking x plus h and we're going to put it wherever we see an x in our original function, leaving us with this piece here. 8 minus x plus h squared minus the original function, which is just f of x, 8 minus x squared, all over h. So as we start to simplify this, don't forget to distribute this negative to x plus h squared, which gave us x squared plus 2x plus plus h squared, minus distributing the negative up here as well as minus 8 plus x squared all over h. Now we can start to see that 8 and the negative 8 will cancel out. We have a negative x squared and a positive x squared. The only remaining terms in that numerator will be negative 2xh minus h squared all over h. So the idea is to simplify these functions in order to try to cancel that h in the denominator. And you'll see in calculus where this becomes really, really useful, but at this point we just need to try to simplify these. So looking at that, since h is common to all the terms in the numerator and the denominator, we can essentially factor one out and cancel it off. Some of you like to just cancel at this point, but just make sure that it's common to all the terms before you do that. So at this point, we cancel an h from each in the numerator. We have minus 2x minus h, and then the h in the denominator canceled out to 1. If it is easier for you to see it this way, there you end up with your minus 2x minus h, and that is the difference quotient for the function f of x equals 8 minus x squared.